Hi, I'm Jayne from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch block called Cheyenne, and I'm going to be using scrappy fabrics for this. And if you'd like to know how to use this block in a quilt, please watch to the end of this video where I've got some illustrations to show you how to use it. You're going to need 12 2.5-inch squares in background fabric and 8 2.5-inch squares in scrappy fabrics. You're also going to need 12 2.5-inch half square triangles, which you might find in your stash of scraps, or if you don't, you're going to need 8 3.5-inch squares in background fabric and 8 3.5-inch squares in scrappy fabric. Making the half square triangles. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the background fabrics. As shown here. Pin right sides together and sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. As shown here. Cut along the drawn line. Trimming the half square triangles. Lay the 45-degree line on your ruler on top of the seam. Line the bottom and left edges at more than 2.5 inches. Trim along the top and right edges. Turn the unit round and lay the stitched line under the 45-degree line on the ruler. Line the bottom and left edges at exactly 2.5 inches. Trim the top and right edges. Block layout. Lay out your units in the block layout. Join in pairs matching the seams. Return to the block layout. There's no need to press the seams yet. In columns, pin the bottom 2 rows and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance matching the points. Return to the block layout. Again, there's no need to press seams yet. In columns, pin the top row and sew with the 1/4 inch seam allowance, matching the points. And return to the block layout and press the columns in opposite directions. as shown here. Pin the columns together, matching the seams, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Return to the block layout. There's no need to press yet. Pin a side column to a centre column, matching the seams, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Return to the block layout. Again, no need to press. Pin the other side column to the centre column, matching the seams, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Return to the block layout and now press your seams open. Congratulations, you have made the scrappy Cheyenne block. Here are some quilt options. This is an illustration of the quilt repeating the same block. There is no sashing or borders, but the use of the white background fabric in the block allows the design and fabrics to stand out. This is an illustration of the quilt repeating the same block but with sashing, cornerstones and borders. And finally, this is an illustration of a sampler quilt using some of the blocks from this quilt block series. The sashing in this quilt is in the white background fabric. The cornerstones and border is in a darker fabric to pop and frame the quilt. Want to learn more? Watch another one of my videos from the Quilt Block series. Click above to go to my playlist. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.